Now, the decisions of General Assembly 2025. 1. The proposed occupational health, security, and safety policy of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana is remitted to presbyteries for discussion. 2. The decisions of the General Assembly Council, as captured in the report of the Clerk of General Assembly, are ratified. 3. The General Assembly Council is mandated to remit the proposal to amend Section 18E of the third schedule of the Constitution to the presbyteries. Section 18 talks about chieftaincy. 4. The decision of the General Assembly Council to update the Constitution of the PCG with decisions of the Assembly that pertain to amendments of the Constitution in line with Article 25(4)(d) of the Constitution is approved. The new Constitution has been introduced. Number 5. The General Assembly Council is mandated to examine the proposal to design a new moderatorial gown that reflects the church's context as an African church. 6. The proposal to amend the Constitution to allow the General Assembly Council to schedule its agenda to ensure effectiveness is to be repackaged by the General Assembly Council and remitted to presbyteries. 7. The audited financial statement of the General Assembly Office for the year 2024 is accepted. 8. The Reverend David Abuaji Dankwa was elected as the next clerk of the General Assembly. 9. The next place of General Assembly is to be determined by the General Assembly Council. These were the decisions of the General Assembly. And the clerk would, appropriately after assembly, properly issue the decisions to all courts for compliance. May the grace of God be with us all. Amen.
PCG TV. In that light, there is light.